My name is Rocky Herron, and I'm a retired DEA agent, and now I'm a drug prevention educator. And I'm just finishing my fourth visit to Shasta County in the last 4 years. I've given 10 presentations this week in some schools, some huge assemblies, and then I finished today with 3 groups of kids incarcerated in your Shasta Juvenile Hall. And I'm going home feeling tired, feeling empowered, because we got a lot of confirmation from kids that they appreciate the messaging. And there are a lot of kids and a lot of families in Shasta County suffering from drug abuse. And what I'm trying to do with the Shasta County Office of Education is empower these kids, convince them that they don't have to continue in the same path of life and that they can accomplish their dreams. And far too many of you sitting here are being hurt right now because somebody close to you is hurting themselves with drugs or alcohol. It's not your fault, but they're hurting you all the same. The only thing we control in life, the only thing I control, the only thing you control in life are the choices you make today and every day to try to make your life better. It's never that stranger, it's someone close. Your friend, your teammate, your cousin, your neighbor. Look what I got. Look what I got. And the kid makes the choice that can destroy their life. Everything that makes you you is in here. Everything. Everything you will ever be in your entire life is in here. In yours. And it operates on chemicals. Drugs and alcohol are chemicals you put in your body to get to here to change how it works. That's what getting drunk or stoned is. Problem for you guys is yours is still growing. And then they get the influences through the phone saying, oh, you're feeling sad? Smoke this. Oh, you're bummed out? Drink this, pop this. It'll make you better. It's a miracle that we're born healthy. It's a miracle that we get the body and the mind and the heart that we get. And it breaks my heart that beautiful young people like you, every day around the world, are making choices to destroy those gifts. You guys all deserve happiness. You all deserve to accomplish your dreams. And having been a DEA agent for 31 years, I know that people bringing drugs and alcohol into their life is the fastest way for anybody, including you, to throw away their chances in life. I believe in you. That's why I'm here. It doesn't matter if you're listening to me or not. I still believe in you. But it doesn't matter what I believe. The only thing that matters right now is, do you believe in yourself? Can you look yourself in the mirror and say, I believe in myself enough to make the right choices for my life? That's the question. And if you can't, work on that. You got to give yourself a little hope that you can actually get the life you deserve. Nobody can erase what happened before today for you guys. Whatever it is that put you in here, you can't make that go away. But the only thing you do control are the choices you make every day to try to make your life better. I want you to build the life that you deserve. And I believe each and every one of you guys deserve to have that life you want. But if you don't like what drugs have done to you, if you don't like what drugs are doing to the world, then be a change when it comes to drugs. Make the choice that you made. I'm super proud to partner with Shasta County Office of Education. I'm part of the Shasta Playbook, which is a plan to bring these kids a lot more support than they've been getting. And I look forward to my visit next year.